How to enable and change ChatGPT voice on app. Hey there. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and change ChatGPT's voice on the mobile app. If you're ready to get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's dive right in. First, open the ChatGPT app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed yet, head to your App Store and download it. Once you're inside the app, tap on the three-dot menu or the settings icon to access the settings. Scroll down to find the voice mode option and tap on it. Toggle the switch to enable voice functionality. After enabling voice mode, you can choose from different available voices. Simply tap on the voice name and preview each one to find your favorite. Once you've made your selection, the app automatically saves it. Now you can enjoy conversations with ChatGPT using your preferred voice. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and changed the voice on the ChatGPT app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.